Welcome back to another hot and fresh review. Today we got Burger King and we're going to get into this right here, right now. Today we got the chicken nuggets from Burger King and the chicken junior sandwich. Let's get into this and see what we think about it. Very fresh today. Actually tastes decent from what people's told me. So let's see how these stack up. That's actually pretty decent. I believe it cost me a little over $6 for this. I think it was $7.10. It's not bad. Gotta give the nuggets. Hot. Of course, that's their buffalo sauce, but that ain't what's hot. They're actually fresh for once. I gotta give the nuggets a solid 8.1 out of 10. I suggest you go try these. I will have another review later on the Chicken Junior. Right now, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side, man.